Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, especially Dogecoin, if you're a holder like myself, last 3 to 4 hours have been incredible because finally the super trend has flipped back into an uptrend after 72 hours. The wait has finally come to an end, but what's very important this time around is to ensure that we're able to break to the 25 cents and actually make it to the 28 cents to ensure that we're able to consolidate around that zone. At the same time, if you look at Bitcoin, it's slowly actually breaking out of the consolidation phase, and then just in the last 1 hour is, pretty much testing the previous resistance zone. If we're able to break above this, maybe the next leg is going to put us to the all-time high, which could be close to 108,000. And there are some crazy things happening. First of all, Dogecoin's death cross dominance, 64% Solana rally can hit 100%, while Bitcoin to face a mini golden cross. While Dogecoin eyes 35 cents, the whale accumulation is going crazy, which is signaling another big breakout, while UK is going to require crypto firms to report every single customer transaction. This is a little bit concerning because this would make crypto a little bit harder for people to be able to follow. I do understand it's to strengthen the crypto tax, but this would be a little bit of a scary situation. While Russia trade reaches 93% de-dollarization and blow to US dollar dominance. Let's just say Russia is pushing back, while Dogecoin's 14% drop could be getting ready for the biggest return ever. Before we get into all of that, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button and turn on your notification so you can stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. And right there, slap a like on the video. Let's go for a like goal of 74. We've been smashing every single one, so you guys are all legends, but this will just have the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are buying into Dogecoin, and we're going to see some crazy gains. Now you guys can see the hour just changed, and this is going to be the deciding factor for Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin is able to climb to 108,000, that's obviously going to be setting it up to break the all-time high, and therefore a lot of money is going to flow into altcoins, especially from the Bitcoin holders, because you guys do realize that majority of this money is coming from ETFs, but there are long-term holders which are holding Bitcoin. Usually in a cycle, once Bitcoin has shown an explosive growth, majority of the altcoins are going to do well. If Ethereum starts doing well, just what we experienced about 7 days ago. So a lot of money is about to come into the crypto market, especially if you just look at the altcoin season. It's very clear that currently Bitcoin is leading the chart, but once Bitcoin breaks its all-time high, a lot more people are going to be looking for other alternates, and the alternate that majority of the retail investors like to jump to or flock to be more precise, is meme coins. And what's the largest one that catches everyone's attention, has been around for the longest period of time? That's Dogecoin. And to give you perspective, just in the last 12 hours, you guys can see that the meme coins are definitely performing extremely well, as the market cap climbed from 66 billion to 69 billion, clearly giving you a hint or an indication to what is about to happen. Now, this is a very interesting article which I saw, which is the senator introducing a meme act targeting political meme coins, which obviously include Trump coin, MAGA, everything relating to Trump to be more precise. And the US senator proposes a meme act to ban politician meme coin profits. Legalization targets potential corruption involving high-level government official, significant implementations for political figures involved in cryptocurrencies. This is a big deal because you do need to understand that meme coins are very easy to create. If we just go and pump fun or you just use other websites, they take less than 1 minute to create, just to give you an idea. And if there's going to be a very influential person that's involved in the government going to be creating something and they just mention it on their public domain, there is going to be a very strong chance there is going to be a pump and dump very, very quick. So that's pretty much what they're trying to fight against, and I personally do agree and understand where they're coming from. Now, talking about Russia, now you guys know ever since the sanctions started in 2022, Russia has been trying extremely hard to ensure that they're able to pretty much get away from the US dollar and they don't have so much reliance on the US dollar, if that gives you perspective. And 93% de-dollarization, so they no longer rely on the US dollar to do their trades or foreign trades. A lot of it is done in their own currency, which is ruble, at the same time the Chinese currency, which is yuan, and they also use crypto. I mean, Bank of Russia is pretty much promoting crypto, to be more precise. And in the future, the way the market is moving, it's very clear that they're going to be trying to get more heavily dependent on crypto, because crypto will be a lot harder to pretty much track, and it will be much easier to do the transactions to other countries, to other sellers, suppliers. And overall, the one that's going to be playing a very crucial role in that is obviously going to be XRP, or stable coins to be more precise, because Bank of Russia is looking into releasing their own stable coin, which will be backed by them, and that would be quite impressive and insane. And talking about the open interest, now Dogecoin is at 1.2 billion. The long to the short ratio, as the market is showing a little bit of positivity, is the long traders are jumping back. They want to make sure that they're able to cash in on the profit that could be made very soon. At the same time, Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is doing something similar, but when you look at the long to the short ratio, it's very clear that it's hard to predict. There is a lot of long traders and a lot of short traders which are pretty much pulling the tug, and right now it's pretty much sitting dead in the middle. At the same time, BlackRock now holds 630,000 or 32,000, which is worth 65 billion for its spot Bitcoin ETF. This is huge. The amount of ETF that they are holding is quite significant, and it's obviously going to push up the market even more. And Dogecoin appears to form a falling wedgie, anticipating a 15% price move. The 15% price move can be up or down, but currently the way the markets are moving, it's very clear that's going to be up. Dogecoin price rally starting now, but there is a catch. Now the catch is actually quite simple. Renewed optimism in the larger crypto market may provide Doge with a great big move, but that move needs to ensure that the price is able to get to the 30-cent threshold. If that is not done, there's going to be a little bit of panic around all the holders, and that's the point where all the problems would start. If we're able to just get over this price, well, there's not going to be many things we will have to worry about. That's all I'm going to say, which is the 30 cents. Talking about Bitcoin, well, currently, if Bitcoin is able to break its all-time high, which is it's clearly trying to do so, if it's able to do that, there's a very high chance that the market will have a very strong pull-up, because this is still a bull market. Keep that in mind. The next 6 months to 7 months, by the end of 2025, we're going to stay in a positive, and then we're going to go into a winter phase. If you just look at the cycle, that should give you an idea. Now, if we're going to be going crazy, we need to end off with a bang, and this could be the big rally that we're all waiting for to maybe break even above 200,000. At the same time, the crypto exchange opposed Brazil's stablecoin self-custody ban. So crypto actors see ban proposal headed by the Central Bank of Brazil as excessive, and explain that this move might push the companies to operate offshore. So currently they're trying to pretty much ensure that stablecoins are done and dealt with properly. Well, the next stop for Bitcoin is going to be 120,000, as long as the long traders have more control of the market. Other than that, we're still in a very good sentiment, and you see these random pumps that you see in the Bitcoin market is the clear indication to that. At the same time, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.